get Facebook password from Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get Facebook password from Instagram. So first of all, just open your Instagram, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you are logged in into your account, just click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen. And after that, just click on the three dot icon from the top right corner of the screen. And over here, just go to the account center from the top right, from the top, and under the connected experience section. And over here, you will be able to see different options like sharing across profiles, logging in with accounts, and other options. Just simply click on logging in with accounts. And over here, you will be able to see your Facebook account that has been linked to your Instagram account. And the setting is on choose which account can be logged in and other account. Now, in order to get your Facebook password, you need to change the settings and click on all accounts to log in into each other. Just simply click on it. And so this way your Facebook account will also be logged in through your Facebook account quite easily. And this way you will be able to get the password as well. So this is basically how you will be able to get Facebook password from Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.